Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're out deer hunting like usual during this time, and the weather is beautiful out. We've got snow coming down. I am feeling great tonight. I just feel like the deer are gonna be moving. I don't know, it just feels like a good night. I mean, last time it snowed out here, my brother shot at a giant buck. So I'm hoping a giant buck does come out in this weather. I'm hoping they're moving. So we're gonna see what happens. My dad was just out here cutting wood, but I don't think that should affect it too much. So we'll see. But I'm just hoping we see some deer moving through. So that's the plan, but we'll see what happens. It's snowing hard now, guys. Wow. I really hope I see some deer. This is crazy. It's the day after Thanksgiving. This is crazy. A doe just came out unexpectedly. Didn't see it till it got really close. She walked up and over to the neighbors. It didn't seem very big, but I'm happy we saw a deer, so that's good. Still got about 10-15 minutes left, so we'll see what happens, but yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. Happy we saw one.